Hello everyone, welcome to Maths video class 6 chapter 12 proportion exercise 12a. But before starting this exercise, let me thank those who have really appreciated me. For example, Siddharth, Mishri, Ruchita, Sai, Tejal, and today Vinita. You all have appreciated me and I'm really thankful for your appreciation, and this gives really boosting to teachers that they are getting appreciation for their teaching. Thank you so much everybody. Next is I'm going to show the in video. You can see a test. There was test conducted on chapter on exercise 1b, so you can see the answers. I hope you can see the answers. Check the answers. Solve. I hope you have solved by yourself. Okay. Questions were same. Only thing is I have changed. For example, instead of month here I had changed, or numbers I have changed. Okay, so you can check the answers. Okay, so let me start with the exercise. So we were on question number 2. Question number 2, second one, right? 14 is 2x, 17 is to 9. All right, so So 14 is to x is equal to 7 is to 9. This shows that they are in proportion, since is equal to is there in between. So we can use product of extremes is equal to product of means. Okay. So product of extremes, that is 14 into 9 is equal to x into 7. So now you will say, now last question if you have seen, x was in the left hand side, LHS, right? X was in LHS. So we have kept x here and we have transposed 8 here to RHS, right? But in this case you will see x is on the right side. So do not get confused at all. There are two ways which you can work on. First is keep x here on RHS itself and transfer this 7 here. Means yesterday's video I have explained you that this multiplication, not yesterday's, now this video I think you will get it on Monday. Alright. So it will not be yesterday, but maybe day before yesterday's video. So we have to keep, you have understood how much we have to keep in mind whatever we are speaking, right? So okay, let's come back to the topic. Multiplied by 7, so it will become divided by 7. So this is the first way. X is on the RHS, no issues, keep x here itself, transfer only multiplied by 7, it will become divided by 7. This is the one way. Second way is just transfer everything here, this whole to LHS and this whole to RHS, and then do the way it was explained in this question. Okay, so both are okay. So x into 7, x multiplied by 7 is equal to 14 multiplied by 9. X is equal to 14 multiplied by 9. I have kept it as it is. This multiplied by 7 becomes divided by 7. You can write this way also. This multiplied by 7 will become divided by 7. Okay, but fine. And next step can come with this step. Okay, so 7 ones are 7 twos are 2 nines are 18. I hope there is no confusion when x is on the right side. That method can also work. Keep x here itself and then 7 you have to transpose to LHS. Okay, like how you do it for this side, same method you have to follow for this side also. Next you can see they are in proportion. It is said in the question itself. So 4 multiplied by 18, product of extremes is equal to product of means. So 4 multiplied by 18 is equal to 6 multiplied by x, product of extremes and product of means. So I have done the same thing to avoid confusion. What I generally do is I transfer everything here and this here. That doesn't make any difference. So 6 multiplied by x, x you keep here on LHS and transfer this x will be divided by 6 since it is multiplication. Okay. So 6 ones are 6 threes are 4 threes are 12. As I told you, you can keep x here, you can transfer upon 6 and then you can do the rest of the things. I hope you will understand this. Things are easy. Next is also 8 multiplied by 25 is equal to 10 multiplied by x. So 10 multiplied by x is equal to 8 multiplied by 25. So x is equal to 8 multiplied by 25 upon 10. See, this is in multiplication, so this will become division when it goes to RHS. Okay. So do the cancellation as according to you. Okay, I have used here 5's table. 5 5's are 5 2's are 2 1's are 2 4's are 4 5's are 20. I hope you have understood this very well. So for that sake, 5th and 6th are homework. Just see, you can make mistake in transposition. So please take care there. Alright. Then let's see question number 3. If you'll see question number 3, find the value of x so that the given 4 numbers are in proportion. See, it is already said that find the value of x so that the given 4 numbers are in proportion. Means you have to consider that they are in proportion. So when I told you before only, when they are in proportion means you have to apply product of extremes, product of means. Alright. So question is x, 6, 10 and 15. Okay. So product of extremes. Now in this product of extremes means product of x and 15. So I have written here product of extremes is equal to product of means, 6 multiplied by 10. So x is equal to 6 multiplied by 10 upon 15. Alright. So once you know product of extremes and product of means, you have to solve it like question number 1 and 2. Only thing is, in question number 2 also you were supposed to find value of x. In question number 3 also you have to find out value of x. Only thing is you have to arrange in this way. Okay. So what you can do, the addition is x is to 6 is equal to 10 is to 15. This is the addition in this. This is important because to show that they are in proportion. Alright. So x into 15, that x multiplied by 15 is equal to 6 multiplied by 10. Extremes and means. So x is equal to 6 multiplied by 10. 6 tens are 60 upon 15. 15 fours are 60. X is equal to 4. Okay. Then next is also same way. Next is also same. Only thing is again we'll write here x is to 4 is equal to 15 is to 30. Okay. So x is to 30 is equal to 4 into 5. Why? Product of extremes is equal to product of means. So x is equal to 4 into 15 upon 30. I have transposed this multiplied by 30 in the denominator. So 15 ones are 15 twos are 2 twos are. Okay. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So 2 ones are 2. Okay. Then if you will see next is 2 into x, 2, x, 10, 25. So 2 into 25, product of extremes is equal to product of means. X into 10 is equal to 2 into 25. What I have done, since x came to RHS, I have brought it this side. Nothing else. I told you in previous question number 2 also, you can keep x here and only transfer 10 to LHS. That will have no effect on the answer solution. So x is equal to 2 into 25. This was already there. These were already there. Multiplied by 10 became divided by 10. Okay. So 2 ones are 2 fives are 5 fives are. So x is equal to 5. Okay. You can see question number 4 I have solved. Question number 5 I am not explaining. I have kept this also. as it is. You have to solve it further. So question number 4, 5 and 6 are homework. Okay, so please take care and let's wait till vaccine comes. Okay, we should have that much of patience. Thank you so much.